Fraction. Types of fraction. Proper and improper fraction, equivalent fractions, like and unlike fractions. Proper and improper fraction. Proper fraction. The fraction that have numerator less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. 6 by 10 is a proper fraction which has numerator 6 less than denominator 10. 3 by 5 is a proper fraction which has numerator 3 less than the denominator 5. Improper fraction. This is an apple. Ramesh cut it into 4 equal parts. This is another apple of the same size. It can also cut in 4 equal parts. Now, Ramesh took a single part, or what we can say, a quarter from first apple and grouped it with second apple. How can Ramesh denote this group? 1 whole plus 1 quarter, that is 1/4. We can write it as 1 and 1 by 4. Ramesh wrote 1 plus 1/4 as 5 by 4, which is also right. Therefore, what have we learned from the above example? The fraction which has numerator greater than the denominator is called as an improper fraction. As we learned, 5 by 4 can be written as 1 and 1 by 4, where 1 is whole and 1/4 is a part. Therefore, improper fraction is also known as a mixed fraction. Express 17 by 4 mixed fractions. 17 divided by 4, write 17 as 16 plus 1. Therefore, 16 plus 1 is divided by 4. Divide independently 16 by 4 and 1 by 4. We get 4 plus 1 divided by 4. That is 4 and 1/4 means 4 whole and 1/4 part. Equivalent fraction. Look at the figure. This is a whole number. Divide it into 2 parts. This shaded part represents half. Now observe carefully. Make 4 equal parts of whole. We get 2 shaded parts out of 4 parts. Again divide whole into 6 equal parts. We get 3 shaded parts out of 6 parts. What do you observe? Whatever we divided the whole, the figure remains the same. It means half is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. Therefore, 2 by 4 is equivalent of 1 by 2 and 3 by 6 is also equivalent of 1 by 2. To find an equivalent fraction of a given fraction, multiply or divide both the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by the same number. Example: 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 2 divided by 4. 3 divided by 6, that is equal to 3 divided by 3 divided by 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 1 divided by 2. Here, we get equivalent fraction 2 divided by 4 or 1 by 2 by multiplying numerator and denominator by 2, and equivalent fraction 1 by 2 of 3 by 6 by dividing numerator and denominator by 3 respectively. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 of denominator 20. Here in question, we have given a fraction 3 by 5 of denominator 5 and given a condition that the denominator of equivalent fraction should be 20. How we get denominator 20 instead of 5? Right, by multiplying 4 with 5. So, we multiply both numerator and the denominator by 4. We get 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 5 multiplied by 4. That is equal to 12 divided by 20. In this way, we get equivalent fraction 12 divided by 20 of 3 divided by 5 of denominator 20. Find the equivalent fraction of 12 by 36 of denominator 6. Here in question, we have given a fraction 12 by 36 of denominator 36 and given a condition that the denominator of equivalent fraction should be 6. How we get denominator 6 instead of 36? Right, by dividing 36 by 6. So we divide both numerator and denominator by 6. We get 12 divided by 6 divided by 36 divided by 6. That is equal to 2 by 6. In this way, we get equivalent fraction 2 by 6 of 12 by 36 of denominator 6. Like fractions and unlike fractions. Fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. Thus, 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 3 by 15, 8 by 15, and so on are all like fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Thus, 7 by 27 and 7 by 28 are unlike fractions. That is all in this topic, students. Let us learn about comparing fractions, addition and subtraction of different types of fractions in our next topic. Learning is fun, isn't it?